You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is negative 11.5, 47. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 32, y1 equals 24. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals negative 55, y2 equals 70. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x1 equals 32. x2 equals negative 55. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y1 equals 24. y2 equals 70. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is negative 11.5, 47.